Hi guys, today is maybe 28 October 2023 guys. Look at that, my kadu Asian pumpkin is not working because it's UK. They're going to die. My pumpkin, another one, is also going to die. Very white garden, but still I want to make video because I want to show something guys. I'm so excited. Oh, look at that guys. This is silverberry flower. Look at that. I'm so excited about flower because it is evergreen plant and flower have very nice scent. Also fruit is eatable. In UK you can see this plant everywhere but people not eat the fruits. But I see this is eatable. Silverberry. Look at that, something come and dig. I used this one I used to put in pot, but now at the moment I put in the ground. But this was I tried to put back in pot, but I see this is settled in ground, so I keep it here already. And now look at that, my garden plum. I broken some branch because this I want to make shape in plum tree. My grapes from seed. Look at that. Let me go. Ouch. No danger because wet garden. And let me go carefully from here. My another fruit is ready today. I'm so excited for this also. Look at that. This one. I don't know this name, but it is tastes like a jujube. Oh, look at that. Soft. It's ready, guys. Wow. Look at that, guys. Soft means ready. This one not so fully. So one I pick is very yummy, guys. And local market have costly. Is this soft? So I have to come every day for check. Yeah. Oh, sorry, another one dropped. Why not soft? Still you can eat, but softer are more tasty. So exactly like a jujube taste. And they really grow crazily, you see. In one branch, 3. So maybe I have to bring something to take it. Another one soft. Look at that, guys. I have to wash and eat. Look, too happy. Branch like a going to fall over. Look how many together. I can't believe it, guys. It's so productive, this tree. Every year it is giving more and more fruits. Look at that. Heavy load. How many? Look at that, guys. How many they have. I'm so excited for this tree also. So let me try that one. Grapes still there. Look at that, my grapes. I have to bring something, guys. Otherwise I can't pick. Still they have raspberry. Look at that raspberry. In October, flower coming and also ready to pick. And grapes. This year too much grapes, guys. My akibia evergreen plant. And also look at that grapes here. So I have to bring something to pick. At the moment I can't pick anymore too much. Look at my grapes still there. And this another evergreen plant, strawberry tree fruit, guys. This never drop the leaves even in too much winter. I love evergreen plant. I have 3 type of evergreen plant which are even not dropping any leaves. So I'm so happy. Another thing, guys, but it is no meaning. I don't know why. Look at that. Wait, guys, look at that. This is pomegranate. Because cold coming and it will be drop leaves and flower, everything. Flower come 2 times really. Last time come and drop, not make flower fruits. I don't know why. This also always flower come. Lots of flower come, but fruit I didn't get yet. So this plant I really buy with fruits when first time I buy. Quite long time it is giving just fruit, flower and flower, no fruits. I don't know, maybe if I keep inside this will work, but inside I have already too many plants, so I don't take it. Sometimes I feel like take it to the inside or make another plant from this tree, put inside because of flower. I love it. So today is like this really, my garden, guys. Look at that, and sky. Sky is sunny because the rain was there. My garden is like this. Very soon most of plant drop the leaves, and I see you again later. Look at that, my grapes become crazy, guys, going everywhere. It was already crazy. Now next year maybe more crazy. I have to control. They already have some rose already and some honeybee, honeysuckle still there. Bye bye, peace up, guys. See you soon again.